ปลากินเหรอ Big Barramundi. Say 8-9 kilos. So as I was telling you yesterday, you see the secret motto, the secret of lure fishing, and my personal motto is shut up and cast. You know, no need to lose confidence. One cast, right place, right timing can make the difference between a bad day, a day where you are skunk, and an unforgettable day fishing. See, I have been today with the weather, it's raining. Okay, it has been a bit more difficult than yesterday. Yesterday we were killing them. Today it has been a bit more difficult, but if you cast, if you believe in your lure, a Fishbelly lure, if you believe in your skills, then once in a while you do catch fish.
Phải, cái nào phải con.
Nhiều chú ơi, cái lúc này ai rồi There's no doubt, man, these Fishbelly lure are really good. They are really working. We have caught, I mean, at least 7-8 different species so far. Very same species as in Australia. A lot of people think Barramundi are the main game fish from Australia, but they are not. They are from Thailand too.